Here is Marine still running, where on Sunset Boulevard as always, starting with La Factory and checking out Billboards. May 2019. Of course, Netflix, nothing unusual. The same Marshmallow in Palms, Las Vegas. Another Netflix. And HBO on the left. This vertical towel is always Apple products. Chateau Marmont Hotel, and they have some parties often. There is new movie, Billboard, Godzilla, rated PG-13. May 31st. Busy Saturday night. Have a lot of time for focusing. Pink Taco. It's a chain of restaurants. On the left, Body Shop, striptease bar. I think it's open until 4 a.m. HBO on top of the roof. Some annoying designer still there. May 31st, Netflix. Billboard on the left. Tesla. Confused Tesla. Alright. Spider-Man something. Golden Globe nominee. When is Golden Globe? Netflix. For your consideration. So apparently some of the billboards are aimed at Golden Globe, which is in Beverly Hilton Hotel lately, since Whitney Houston died in there. HBO. NBC electronic billboard. Comedy store. Always the same poster. I'm not sure it's even 2 days. Just some kind of Bobby was here or something. Hostel in theaters. Mother's Day weekend. Tequila dog movie. Comedy Central on the right. Here's YouTube original on the right. Cobra Kid. Here's some, who knows what it is. Las Vegas. Marijuana products on the left. Bodyguard on Netflix? No. Bodyguard. Yeah, letter N over there means from Netflix. Both billboards. going through Sunset Plaza area. Restaurant still open. Hulu. Oh, cool. Still insects on the left eating something. Show. Boxing. Another Netflix on the right. Another Netflix on the left. Another Netflix. Another Netflix. I need to make some special word instead of Netflix. Something with one syllable. Flame back. It's Amazon Prime. Local KTLA 5 channel. NBC local. And there is HBO on a full wall. 9000 Sunset Boulevard. Let's see what's here. That vertical dark, always Apple Music. Roxy, concert venue. People getting keen. Alright. Netflix on the left. This is One Oak. Some kind of concert here. Or disco night. Who knows? AMC TV channel. Maniac still here for your consideration. So they want Golden Globe for that Netflix thing. Shawn Mendes. What is that? Is it music or something? Alright, we're gonna turn around after Roku Sushi. Red light, let's wait. Sushi eaters over there. What are those Chinese eaters? Alright, there's Pikachu on the left still. That one we already saw on Netflix. Another HBO. Okay. That one is fashion on the left. I guess. Sabrina on the right is Netflix. Passing Quiet One Oak again. Those two pictures shot on iPhone. TV. Viper Room, still in business. Let's check out those two guitars here, one and second further. There used to be a lot of guitars on Sunset Strip. They slowly disappear. For your consideration, another Netflix. They're probably embarrassed having word Netflix everywhere, so they put little red N. So Amigos, watch now, Shut Studio, YouTube channel. People just advertise their own channel on YouTube. Another Netflix. What's this? Who knows? Here is fashion, Valentino. Used to have word sunset lighting in pink letters. Not anymore. What do they eat over there? Waiting for the check, maybe. Okay. What's here? Easy parking, that's right. I was about to take off. Right. There is new Disney thing, May 24th, Aladdin. Another for your consideration. Lots of billboards aiming for Golden Globe. James Bay on the left, fashion or something. Chanel. Showtime May 10. Elton John. Rocket Man. Congratulations to our icon, Britney Spears. I think it was Britney Spears. Okay. Some kind of fashion here. Congratulations to our icon, fashion coach. Stars on the left. Louis Vuitton, another winner. Very fresh, nice little billboard. Netflix again. Some kind of medical service on the left. And this is the loser. Saint Laurent. Worst billboards in America. Louis Vuitton the best, Saint Laurent the worst. HBO on the right. Another HBO. Prada. That one's some kind of DJ on the right. Local Fox Channel 11. Guess. Gucci. Polo Ralph Lauren. Netflix. Another Netflix. And of course one more Netflix. Well, not a lot of surprises. Predictable. Another YouTube original. Check out the older Billboard updates, see if anything dramatic change. That free trolley going along with Hollywood. Alright, we are back to where we started. See you next month.